Hey, I wanna go SM Angono. Is this go SM Angono? SM Angono? Huh? No, SM Angono. Is this the right way? SM Angono? Oh. SM. No, English, te. I'm from Thailand.
What?
I wanna go SM Angono.
No.
This way. Yeah. This Taguig. Yeah. Go SM Angono. Is this the right place? The right way? Okay. How long? How long from here go SM Angono? 2 hours? 3 hours? 4 hours? It's very far? Okay. It's very hard to go there. Okay. Magkano yung itlog?
Gago!
Ha? 50?